Wanna run suck pussy joke with me what day I'm alone. But don't run the bottom man joke with me, yeah? With me I'm just low now. But now run them joke there with me. But fake good and them something. Blood clot rink.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now people, John Star, we have a sticky situation to talk about today. So dancehall artist Octane took it to Instagram to upload a photograph, you know. And people, let me talk from now. I wouldn't be talking about this situation if Octane never put out that video earlier on that he did. So people, forget a clear understanding because the situation are kind of hard to explain, you know, and I don't want to get any why. Forget a clearer understanding of what we really are talk about. This is the video Octane did after he put out the photograph, and then we are gonna talk about a live that he did. But people, just follow me and pre this video.
So watch your style, you know. After me post my picture today, I say, yo, look on the progress of my belly, ladies. And ladies, them see me package and love it off. And some little crosses go report the picture. Through the girl, them I said, Jesus, how can I say it's there? Some little bad mind boy. I think I mean I could have Taylor. I would man. This bag of report. I make Instagram some to take down my picture. I'm telling you this. You can't tap a girl from love at trust, you know. Slim fast, watch your neck. You're dead. Tell them to take down my neck now, no. Yeah. When they're dead, the girl them don't see it already. When they're dead, ladies, remember, see? Watch your style. Remember 12 noon tomorrow, Valentine's Day. And all my Valentines, they don't know date, only for one. They don't know big video drop. Diamond, see?
People, I want to pay close attention to how Octane just plug in, say him have a video for drop right there, so. You see me, say him promote himself right there, so. Now, by listening to that video, I guess you know understand the type of photograph that Octane posted on his Instagram page. Yeah, it kind of, you know, it stay away. And me not even go post back that photograph on my Instagram. Cause as I say, as a man, it kind of one way if we share those photographs. Cause I guess Octane uploaded it in female fans them. On a platform where Wally Baman there, you know. Anyway, we not talk about that. Massi. And Massi is a female vlogger. She went ahead and did a report about the matter. Right? And more to read Massi title. A matter of fact, I'm going to put it on the screen as well with the thumbnail. So, Massi title was OMG, Octane wearing fake front according to fans. Octane wear fake front according to fans. Now, Octane forward now do a live and a bun out Massi. I say, yo, Massi cannot I say them something about the artist. Massi in a business about the artist and X, Y, and Z. And Massi I put them thought the inner the people them head. Now people want to know understand this, you know. Before Massi made that video, the people them been I say is a fake something Octane put in her pants. Now that are the female them. Remember me tell you, I am just a person where I transmit the information. Now according to Octane, and people remember me tell you, me I go play the full live. According to Octane, him a burn out the vlogger them I say, yo, them always as present a negative energy and a negative vibration. Basically, him a say, yo, them try to find what day when he met the video, and then a lot of people run with it and say, a vagina Octane did want eat or did a eat in the video when in did a promote a music video that are in a wadi in a Christmas, somewhere in a Christmas New Year, somewhere there. So you see me, so basically Octane say appear negative vibes the vlogger them a promote, a be a foolish them a promote, and him personally link Massi already fi do video for him, fi promote video for him, and she not do it. Now Octane most of the vloggers them, not all of them, but most of the vloggers them boy are charge. You see me? So if you want the people them to promote the thing them for you, you give them a money. Brother, at the end of the day, the people them work to get them platform with them there, that are number one, and we work. Bro G, all the way out here, we work. So when I see I go kind of deal with that vlogger, so it kind of make me want to forward out and say something. Anyway, people, I go play the full video and then we have a next small discussion about the clip.
Don't do it. I wish man go buy Dild0 and screw it on the mud. I bat him on that. I must have bat him on that. I go buy Dild0. Don't run them joke there with me. Blood clot and a bright. I follow get up every day and capitalize as an artist. I want to now support artists. That a phone and the bread. Fian, she ready? I want to now support artists. I want to never yet a promote artist song. Then I want to promote ush artist narray, ush artist narray, ush artist narray. What the heretical are going good? Him song them a play rare retical. Them unna to run with the youth song. You get hold with gun. All of a sudden him there on every platform. Now no taint some bag of different pictures. Now no done with the youth. And youth left in the problem by himself now. Uno don't give a fuck if him want get 10 or 20 years, you know. And not even bad mind. Bad mind overused, man. I just illiterate. We illiterate as Jamaicans. We just illiterate people have too much platform to have the easy access to the internet and I utilize the platform the wrong fucking way. That we want them to do. If you want to post a picture, if you want, remember so not report the picture, you know. I make Instagram write me and say, Mr. Muir, can you kindly take down that picture before we block a page? Because you know what them say? Them make sure email me and say to me, say, them get a lot of complaints about the picture. And rare. Which me I talk about, me wait. The girl them love the picture. And everything nice. Alright, boom, me love it. So I say, oh, trouble Octane. Me talk about them pussy hole and them love talk about artists are run down clout. The whole world are run down clout. So let's clout this, just clout the fuck out of the world then. Make you all away clout the fuck out of the world then. Because when you do fuck around artists calling out upon it, artists are run down clout. Some of stupid motherfuckers as fans, when artists are promote them thing, artists are run down clout. So let's clout the fuck out of the world then, because the whole world are run about clout and everybody, once a man disagree with you, you're fake. So let's fake the fuck out of the world then. Because everybody are run down fake. So Mouta Massi a join. One thing I tell Mouta Massi, since as you say fans and rare Octane would fake, I just want to tell you this. You and your friend them, just DM me, the female one them. And me go to my location, because you're on the live now. And you come link me. You can do it tonight too, you know. Come link me. I run some cocky pound, you know, and then we're going to know who for pussy mash up or who for what fake. Because Mouta Massi my job next. I tell you, I chat to you about it, you don't promote it. But when I run about Octane and suck pussy, I never suck pussy yet from my band. After me saying in the video when I promote my thing, girl, me and a girl do a bag of things. You still not promote the song. I drop a video today, I want to still not promote the video. But when I write about Octane falls with a batty man and run suck pussy joke with me and get with. Don't run no batty man joke with me. Don't run no batty man joke with me. When a man have falsehood, where a man a go put falsehood in a man underpants for? A batty man that means I think about a next man would. Don't run them joke with me. Me make gonna get to the whole heap of things. Don't run them joke there. Yeah, me gonna get to it. Octane now mind pick me. Octane this, Octane that, Octane. Yeah, me not see a promote next Mouta Massi. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't run the Batman joke. The headline could be different. You stop write them type of headline there. You stop write. You not write headline for control the people them comment. That's what I do, you know. You not make the fans them comment freely. Cause you gonna say Octane and fake wood and ray. Naturally, when you say Octane and fake cocky, I'm gonna say blood clot. You know them people you don't. I don't know say my body man, you see my fake cocky and ray I wanna spread all type of wrong narratives from people. If you not put out headline and you say headline different headline like yo, you could put out a different headline. Like, what do you think about that picture? You don't feel like it's real or it's fake? And give the people them that. But you not take the headline for people deal with artists away. And you don't know the repercussions that artists have got through. Artists have got through repercussions. That me I tell you now. I just come off of the road and I see 5 women in the fucking supermarket. And me hear them a chat over there so. And them a go on. And a woman left forward come say or and come look directly for me. See? Why they wanna paint suck pussy thing for me? Me dep on the road again a foreign, pull up, me the Walmart, me come out, me see some man out there. Them a bend up them face. One of them brave enough to say, yo DJ, yo dog, yo Ray, in an argument, dog, yo man, rate your man, listen Ray, one bag something man. Yo dog, yo God, no dog, and my friend them want this and rape. Me must say Florida, every man have gone in. And the type of person I am, I just say, I call a conversation. I'm going to go up on the video with my video and show them what I say. And show them the video when I drop. And the man them say, them vlogger, you know, easy, you know, dog. Because you and me vex, brother, same time I could have come and lick a shot in your blood clot because I feel disappointed. Uno could have make bumbo clot people kill me on road. I know when I go say, John, no star, Octane gone. And I want to get on a monthly fucking check, you know. And for the fuck you want to put out per man name, you know. I want to get on a monthly check. And uno no business, you know. Uno no give a fuck if artists want dead a road, you know. Uno fi cut you out. Get on a fucking, you the pussy hole you talk about a lie me I tell. Me no need to tell lie batty man or suck pussy girl. Me no need to tell lie. Me no tell lie. Me no need to tell lie. So you can talk about tell lie. Black you, go suck your mother and come off of this man. You're one of them too. All you are talking about a fuckery post that a fuckery mind on a have fisherman think about fish. On a two dunces pussy clot, some of the Jamaicans and some of have the vlogging platform, on the two fucking dunce. If a man says things, why the fuck on narrow down a word things we have so much words, so much things is a vast thing. And uno put it as suck pussy and fuck body. That's the only thing Jamaicans can narrow down thing to. When 90% of the man them boy are suck pussy and fuck body. Why not narrow it down to that? Me could have sell drugs. Me could have killed somebody. Me could have fuck 5 girl. She could have come catch me and fuck her girl. Or fuck a girl in her. Why not narrow it down to that? It's only that in a Jamaica vocab. Jamaicans vocab. Suck your mother. You're a body man. You suck pussy. You fuck body. Yeah, that's the only thing. You got dead. That's the only 5 words we use. I tell you, no, you not even know what I do. You not set up people on the road. You don't know what I do. So much people are dead. They are foreign. You know, so much bumbuckler people are dead at Jamaica. You not set up people life. And you don't know. You don't know what I do, but you don't give a fuck. Mix up, say don't foot at it ask. Then me and foot have a conversation about it. Me and Footer did have a conversation about it. Everybody hate vloggers. Nobody not hate vloggers because I wanna do. Remember, so una get on a monthly check every day. Una not writing the reports them proper. Una not write the reports them proper because una don't give a fuck about people life. Una don't give a fuck about people life. And if you understand, say, what happened a while ago too, me in a supermarket with me youth them, and that happened because of Uno. And it could have go different way. And only thing I'm gonna say, RIP and play a loser friend for me. That's all you're gonna do, you know. That's all you're gonna fucking do. Play a loser friend. You don't give a fuck if man want dead. I'm in a supermarket with me 2 youth them a while ago. Note, me have more than 2 youth, but me in there with 2 of me youth them. And this happen. But I hit me I try tell you no. Normally me no come upon them something, I laugh it off. See, when I run them joke the pan people, people out there will look up and respect people. When I do them thing there. And watch her now. Then, you still not run 90% of the man who do that still never put out next. Then, and 90% of the people them, when them find out say, yo, Lord Clay, you know, so we paint the narrative wrong, you still never correct it. So you leave a bad taste in a people's mouth out there. For people look upon you sideways. No, I'm not really afraid of nobody still. I'm not left my blood clot gun, so anything or anything. See? I'm telling you, I'm not left my gun, so anything or anything. So, but me I tell you no.
Octane, me personally feel like say you do a lot of these stuff to get clout, and you do a lot of these stuff to get attention and views. You get what me I say? Each time you talk about this situation and each time you post about it, you make sure you plug in the song where you drop today and you plug in all your song them. So basically, you capitalize on the publicity. Brother, you know what you do when you upload that on the internet, you know, brother. You know say it cause a lot of controversy. You know say a bag of people are going to talk about it. You know say a bag of eyes are going to depend on it. And you drop the photo the day before you go drop a song on the internet. Come on, bro. So when my co-worker go so booms and forward now and make a video, you can't feel no way, brother. Because you draw the attention upon yourself. And she just a report on what she been a see. Me been a see it too, but me just choose not to say anything about it. Because she is a female, so she can't get away with vlogging like that. Me can't get away with that. Me will get why. You get what me I say? People in the comment section been a said that. Them been I say, yo, Octane, put that something there in her pants. That them been I say. People I say no me. Not Chaddy more TV. Females them, me see I say so. So at the end of the day, to me, you just a look publicity for your song. And you talk about the song that you did when the whole internet did have it say, yo, yeah, eat the for JJ. Brother, you put up a very controversial video. You never say that the girl doing it, but you put up a video say a girl a try blackmail you. And you forward out now and you go talk because you're on the video. Well, the first thing I go forward to mind, brother, now say you do something like that. Either you go do that on the video or you go do something else. I mean, no say, you know when people say you do something else on the video. So them draw the car there. You get me I say? But talk the truth, Octane. You know in yourself, you know. That was the purpose you do it for. That was the purpose you do it for. Anyway, still. Octane, at the end of the day, if you want to work with a particular vlogger, you just link them and know say yo, I say it go. And they will tell you a price. If they want to do it for free, them do it for free. Or whatever. But everything forward with a price, brother. Me sure say, if you go down a star right now and you want them advertise something, you have to pay down. And when you do your YouTube ads, them you have to pay down. And all of the other little something them where you do forget attention, you have to pay. Over the Daydream, them over the Tropics, them over the Pink Wall. So want to vlog too? Want to vlog up on YouTube? Vlog up on YouTube, no forget money too. You don't want to pay with too? Right now. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.